Right, well, we're down in Coolbawn House or Coolbawn Castle. Now this is private property, so don't just rock up here thinking you can get in. It's rude. You gotta ask and talk to the owner. Well, don't annoy the owner because that's not cool. But it's like, I don't know what time it is. It's like 20 past 11 in the morning. So it's pretty bright. So we really get a good shot maybe with the camera. So I'm testing out the GoPro 7 Black, which is an upgrade for my GoPro 4. Oh, wild hat. Yeah, so don't just rock up here because you can't. Not cool, not cool, but it's pretty cool. Apparently the locals burnt it out after the old black and tans were leaving, 1920 or so, 1922. But listen to the birds. Pretty cool. There's always something about the rubbish in these places. There's another beaut over there. He's at the same crack. Slabs fell over the old stairs. You're putting up the drone. It is a bit bright for the old cameras. It's big. There they had an elevator. I should have probably put my hard hat on, in fairness. Yeah, but again, this is private property. So don't just show up and start wandering around. Right, it's Derek or Irishmantravelling on YouTube and Instagram. Just shout at me. There is a bit of a moat here. Right out the window, a big deep pit. And it sounds like a lot of birds. I don't know. There's a door down there. Right there. There's another door over there as well. I'd imagine that's all part of that one cellar. Must have been like a big servants' entrance, coal I'd say that's the entrance there from that area. Going under here. Ah, look, there's a door there. Now, I'm only in wellies and not in hiking boots, so maybe I shouldn't be doing this. But we'll try. Get down here. Yeah. I don't think I'm going down there without hard hat and some other safety gear, because that's a bit dodgy, but that's all connected underneath there. That's pretty cool. 2-foot drive. Alright, so the lad's gonna put up his drone. If you want to check out drone video footage, look at Irishmantravelling on YouTube and Instagram. He's got a Maverick Air. Oh, the wind just decided to pick up when you put it up, which should be alright.